In this video, we will see how to get the maximum possible discount in Creatify, which is an amazing AI tool to make product ads just by using the product link. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get this discount, click on the first link given in the description. You will be taken to the Creatify page. Click here on sign in. On this page, you can either manually enter your email or just click on continue with Google and then select the Gmail that you want to log in with. You will see an interface like this after a successful login. On the left, click here on upgrade and you will be able to see the different pricing plans with the different benefits. You can compare them and decide which one you want to go for. And if you are watching this video at the right time, there is a limited time 50% off available on the yearly plans. But if you are watching this video late, don't worry, you can still get a discount using a coupon code. I will select monthly and then select this plan. We will be redirected to the Stripe checkout page. Wait for the page to load completely or else you will get an error message like this. Once the page loads completely, click here on add promotion code and type team15. Click apply and you can see that we have received a 15% discount on the total price. After getting the discount, you can enter your email ID for payment, select a payment method, either card, Cash App or bank, and then complete the payment. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to make product ads using AI by just providing the product link, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.